Good day, good day. Time, everything good, take time. My name is Otis Houston Jr, AKA Black Cherokee I use with my art. Well, I started in prison, making collages, because that's all I had to work with at the time. It helped me to grow. I do a lot of reading, I watch the news, I listen to people talking, and I find things. In America, it's a lot of people can't read. There's a lot of people can't read well. There's a lot of people that can read, but too busy to read. So in my reading, I think I come across some things they might not be coming across. So I put it out there. I try to spread it. And my messages be how I feel, what get my attention, and what I'm learning, what's going on around us, and in that kind of way. The FDR Drive, wow, thousands of people go through there every day, thousands and thousands of people. And I did my little research on the top 5 museums in America. In 1 year, the top 5 get like 16 million visitors. Well, the spot where I be at by the FDR Drive beat that standing still, because that's what they're doing, standing still. The cars ride by thousands and thousands and thousands of people, and they see, I call it Picasso on the go. When they see, they see me, and it's a platform for me to see thousands and thousands of people from all across the country. One thing I show of trying to be yourself. I'm trying to be myself, because that's what I'm doing. Sometimes when people had messed with me, I say, why they want to mess with me? I ain't messing with nobody. Why won't they let me be? Finger, word, ticket, hit, jail, arrest, or spit, I ain't messing with nobody. And I ain't gonna never quit. But one guy come by and said, yeah, you really for the people. Because that's what I try to express. I try to express, we be nice to each other. It'd be a better world. When they say lead by example, I ain't leading, but I'm trying to show an example of what I think inside. I believe in God. I try to show them I believe in God. I try to exercise, show them I'm exercising. I try to eat healthy. I show them I'm eating healthy. I like people. I love people. And I wave at people, and I be serious about waving them. I ain't playing with them. I ain't trying to hurt them. I'm trying to help them, help myself, and I be thankful for everybody that respond to me in the same way. Being me, help me be a better me every day. Yeah.